Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Claude AI to improve your academic writing. If you're using Claude AI and you want to use Claude AI to improve your academic writing, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your browser, and in your browser you have to make sure that you are logged into your Claude AI account. So search for Claude AI, open the first website, log in or sign into your account. Now in this section, you just have to simply enter a single prompt. So if you have an essay and you want to improve writing of your essay using Claude, so I have a simple prompt for this. I'm gonna copy this here and paste it. You can see that I'm working on an academic essay about climate change and architecture. So the very first thing in this prompt you can change if you are using or if you're writing an essay, a letter, a story, so you can change this word here. If you're using a essay, so you can keep it as it is, and here you have to and change its name to your own. Once you have done, now here you can see please improve the following paragraph for clarity, academic tone, and logical flow. So after that, it's necessary that do not change the meaning or add a new fact. So once I've entered this line, it will not change the meaning of your essay, or it will not add any new fact in your essay. So it will keep it as it is. Also after that, you have to enter also point out any weak argument or weak statement after rewriting it. So once you have entered this prompt, you just have to simply enter your paragraph here. So here, let's say I'm gonna enter my paragraph. This is the heading of paragraph, and after that, I have entered a simple paragraph or just as an example. So once I've done, just press enter from the keyboard or press this an option here, and you just have to wait for some loading until it's rewrite or revise your paragraph. You just have to wait for some loading here. So it has completely rewrite the paragraph here. It is a revised paragraph, and these are some argument and package statements. So here are some headings for this. If once you got your paragraph or written essay here, if you want to get a PDF file, you can also get a PDF file of this. Just simply here create a PDF file for this, and it will create a PDF file for you. So finally, after a few moments or a few seconds, you might see your PDF file here. Here you can see there are two pages. You can easily download it by clicking on this download button. After downloading, you can send it to anyone, or you can also open it to your browser or any other PDF editor. So in this way, you can easily rewrite your academic paragraph using Claude AI, and you can also create PDF files of them. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.